Charcoal cooking, a flavorful journey. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, charcoal cooking. This is not just a cooking method, but a way to add a unique flavor to food. Let's dive in and learn about this interesting phrase and what it means in the culinary world. Charcoal cooking refers to a method of cooking food over a bed of burning charcoal. Unlike cooking with gas or electricity, charcoal adds a distinctive smoky flavor to the food. This method is often used in barbecues and outdoor grilling. Charcoal cooking requires patience and skill, as controlling the heat is crucial for perfect results. Charcoal has been used for cooking for thousands of years. It was likely one of the first methods our ancestors used to cook food. Today, it's popular worldwide, especially for grilling meat, vegetables, and even seafood. In many cultures, charcoal cooking is a part of traditional festivals and family gatherings, symbolizing warmth and community. Comparing charcoal cooking to other methods, like gas or electric grills, is interesting. The key difference is the flavor. Charcoal imparts a smoky taste that other methods can't replicate. However, it requires more preparation time and is less predictable in terms of temperature control. It's a preferred method for those who enjoy the process of cooking as much as the flavor. To master charcoal cooking, here are some tips. Preheat the charcoal. It should be glowing red with ash forming on the surface. Control the heat. Use more charcoal for higher heat and spread it out for lower heat. Safety first. Always cook in a well-ventilated area and have a fire extinguisher handy. We hope you enjoyed learning about charcoal cooking. It's more than just a way to prepare food. It's a culinary art that brings a unique flavor and joy to the dining experience. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video.